And welcome to Watch You Up to Now, day 2540. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting the journey and sharing lessons learned, information, the good, the bad, and the ugly, about business ownership, personal development, becoming a better version of myself. This year's annual challenge is to be a better you or be a better me. And of course, Supersize Your Business Group, where I help business leaders, owners, founders, etc., to grow and build and supersize and scale their businesses and create the businesses that they want. And one of the secret strategies for doing that or doing anything in our life is realizing that we have beliefs that are holding us back and limiting us. I know we just think our beliefs are our beliefs. At least that's what I used to always think. And at some point we realize, oh, I can believe and choose to believe whatever I want in order to create the life that I want. And that involves not just eliminating limiting beliefs, because whenever we get rid of something, it creates a vacuum that is immediately filled by something else. So part of the process of eliminating limiting beliefs is replacing them with something that will get us what we want intentionally. I gave an example of competition for Supersize Your Business, and I gave an example today of I can't do this, or and talked about that for the Be a Better You annual challenge. Now, there are lots of, we looked at our beliefs yesterday, and then we looked at them at the end of the day and said, are these positive and move me toward what I want, or are they negative and holding me back and not moving me toward what I want? So our challenge today is to pick one of those and replace it with something that will help us move toward what it is that we want. The most common one that I come across and have come across, and the one I experience probably the most still, is the I'm not good enough, I don't deserve, somebody else is more worthy than I am when it comes to whatever it is in life, right? We tell ourselves that lie all the time. But the truth is, if there's something that we want and desire, we want it for a reason. And if it's for us, it feels good. If it's not for us, it doesn't feel good. If we're going after something and really pushing and trying super duper hard, and I'm not saying that we don't need to work hard toward getting what we want, but if it feels off or icky or negative or wrong in any way, shape, or form, then it's not right for us. I have gone down so many rabbit holes, especially when I came from the offline to the online world, that great people that I love and admire and respect greatly, teach online. And I see how it works for them. I see why it works for them. But to me, if it feels icky or slimy or sleazy or salesy or too markety, I just turn off and can't do it, because I don't want to be treated that way. And so I don't want to treat the people that I interact with and work with that way. So those things, those strategies, they might make people billionaires. They're not right for me, and they're never going to be right for me, because I don't choose to have them be right for me, because they don't match my core values. They don't match who I really am and who I want to be and how I want to show up in the world. So that's true of our beliefs as well. We get to choose how we want to show up in the world, who we want to be, the kind of human being we want to be. And that's why I'm actually really excited about this year's annual challenge, Be a Better You annual challenge, because we get to choose and do a little thing every day to become a better version of ourselves. And frankly, I think that's what my purpose here is on planet Earth. It took me a long time to figure that out, but I think I've finally come to terms with, I'm here to be the best example of a human being as I possibly can. Do I fail pretty much every day? Yes. Do I succeed every day? Yes. But that's part of the human condition, being human. All right. If I can help in any way, hit me up and ask. Otherwise, have an awesome day. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.